Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. So today I'm going to bring you a new product. I've used this on a cord before and I really like them. And some of you guys might really want it. It'll reduce some vibrations, some rattles. So let me go ahead and share what I just picked up that I think you guys will find really helpful. So this product is from a company called Trunknets Incorporated. And they have a bunch of different products. And this is a set of silicone license plate frames. Now what's nice about these is they won't rattle around, for one. So if you guys have some subwoofers or anything like that you'll get some trunk rattle. If you have a license plate that's mounted on the trunk, now the Acura TLX doesn't, but if it does, these things will eliminate that problem. And they won't scratch the paint. And they give you everything you need here. Give you these little screw covers, so it'll be a nice clean finish. And what I like is they can mold. So you know the front license plate frame isn't flat, it kind of curves. Well, this will easily conform to that. So you get the two frames here. Like I said, they're a nice soft silicone. And they even have holes at the bottom, which is what I really like. So when it rains or you wash your car, it'll drain the water out. And they give you different screws. And then the little caps to go over them as well. So you don't need anything else. And I like how it has a groove around the edges where the license plate just sits right inside there. So it's a nice tight fit. So like I said, this will help eliminate rattles, especially for cars that have a license plate mounted on a trunk or a hatch of an SUV, where you can get some rattling going on. You don't want to do a tape in it. This might be the trick. So here it is installed here. You can see how nice it fits in here. And this, it's hard to find license plate frames when it has brackets like this because they don't usually sit inside here. But this is a nice silicone. It's firm, it'll hold the shape. It's not saggy. It's really nice, looks clean. And you don't have to worry about, especially in the front, getting rock chips on it, anything like that. It's a nice minimalistic look. And like I said, it really helps for people like the old Accord I had the license plate mounted on the trunk, which a lot of them do. So when you slam the trunk, you get that annoying rattle, and then you sometimes put the double-sided tape behind it, and that'll wear off. But these are really nice, like I said. Just a clean look, just blends right in. I like how that looks, it finishes it off. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll put a link in the description. If you have an SUV that you're getting sick of the rattling plate or corroded plates sitting out in the weather and they don't look good after a few months, definitely pick one of these up. You just put it on there and you don't have to worry about it anymore. Very clean, okay? So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate you guys as always. And if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.